Hey friends, so since I didn't upload on Monday, I thought that it would be really fun to do a quick little Dollar Tree DIY with you guys. So I take one of these circle decor pieces from Dollar Tree and I take off the sticker on the back as well as the hanger up top. Next, I take my little mini finger zip sander, say that 10 times fast, and I just sand down all of that sticker residue, and then I find the middle of my sign. Once I have the middle of my sign marked out, then I take this transfer gather, I cut it up, and I also just kind of lay it out and measure where that gather will fit into the middle. I then mark it off with some painter's tape and give the middle a distressed coat of white Waverly chalk paint. Next, I tape it off once again once that middle part was dry, and then once it's taped off, then I give the bottom and the top part a distressed coat of the Moss Waverly chalk paint. Now once my transfer was fuzzed, then I lay it out in the middle of my sign and I just kind of line it up where I want it. Once I have it where I like it, then I smooth it down and I use my black chalk paste to transfer that wording onto the middle. I swear, you guys, using this paste and these transfers literally never gets old. I could do this all day, every day. In fact, I wish that I had the time to, but I just don't have that kind of time. But if I did, I totally would never get tired of using these transfers all day, every day. So anyway, once I had the gather transferred on, then I take the greenery that was in this transfer and I just go all the way around this gather with the greenery using the gold, the white chalk paste, as well as using the black paste for the little tiny sprigs or pieces of greenery. And I also went into the white parts. When I used the greenery, I used my jade chalk paste, that way you could see it. So once I had my sign done and I created a bow and glued that down to the left hand side, then I take this little glass candle that I have from Dollar Tree and my You Are the Pick of the Patch transfer and just use that to transfer on that pumpkin to the candle, just so that way it would go with this sign really well. You guys, I loved the way that this turned out. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, and I will also have a link to the products used in the comment section as well. And with all that being said, I hope you guys all have an amazing day. Thank you for hanging out with me today, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.